Suze Orman is an American financial advisor, author, and podcast host. She is known for her unorthodox approach to money, which combines personal finance with personal development. Here are 30 Suze Orman motivational ideas. 1. Take control of your money and your life. 2. Don't let your emotions rule your finances. 3. Live below your means. 4. Pay yourself first. 5. Invest for the long term. 6. Don't be afraid to ask for help. 7. Be a lifelong learner. 8. Don't compare yourself to others. 9. Set goals and work towards them. 10. Take action and don't wait for things to happen. 11. Be patient and persistent. 12. Don't give up on your dreams. 13. Believe in yourself. 14. You are in control of your own destiny. 15. The only person you are competing against is yourself. 16. Don't be afraid to take risks. 17. Don't let fear hold you back. 18. The best time to start is now. 19. The future is bright. 20. You can do anything you set your mind to. 21. Don't let anyone tell you you can't. 22. Believe in your dreams and make them come true. 23. Never give up on yourself. 24. You are stronger than you think. 25. You are capable of anything. 26. The world is yours for the taking. 27. Go out there and make it happen. 28. You are the master of your own destiny. 29. The sky is the limit. 30. Anything is possible. I hope these motivational ideas from Suze Orman inspire you to take control of your finances and your life.